Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to update your Mac to the latest version of macOS. Let's get started. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. When System Settings opens, click General, then choose Software Update. Your Mac will automatically check for available updates. After a few seconds, you'll see if a new macOS update is available. If an update is available, you'll see the Update Now button along with the amount of storage required. Click Update Now to begin downloading the update. Once the download is complete, review the license terms, then click Agree and confirm by clicking Agree again. The installation process will begin, and you'll need to wait for the progress bar to reach 100%. When prompted, click Restart to install the update. After your Mac restarts and you sign back in, the update will be complete. To confirm, click the Apple menu, then select About This Mac. Here you'll see that your Mac is now running the latest version of macOS, and that's how you update your Mac to the latest macOS version.